Welcome to MarineMax Cross Lake, where today we have a 2026 Boston Whaler 220 Dauntless. This boat is paired with the Magic Tilt tandem axle trailer and a spare tire on the front. So if you like to trailer your boat around to different lakes to go fishing or cruising, this is going to be an awesome one for you to do that with. We've already got the trailer ready to go. This has the Blade shallow water anchor, really great for hanging out at the sandbar or getting ready to do some fishing. There's Lenco trim tabs, so when you've got a bunch of people on board and you don't want to ask your guests to move around the boat, just adjust those trim tabs and you'll get back on plane. This is equipped with a Mercury outboard motor. This is the 225 XL and it's painted cold fusion white to match the white and gray hull here. Beautiful chrome graphics on the outside, and inside it's a sharp boat as well. We've got the flip up transom seats right underneath here, so you have a nice casting platform, but when you're ready to have some more seating on board, you just flip these up and they've got a backrest built in. There's some storage underneath them, so you've got lots of usable space on this boat, both in the freeboard and underneath the seats. Here at the helm you have the adjustable backrest, so you can face the back of the boat or face the helm. You have an adjustable tilt steering wheel with a Brody knob, and if you are bolstered up standing and just using this as a leaning post, you can have it up, or you can flip this switch and push it down when you're seated, so you have a comfortable ergonomic control system here. We have the JL audio system on board. This is equipped with SmartCraft gauges, so you have your analog gauges, but you also have a little bit of diagnostics digitally displayed right here at the helm. We have a wireless charger for the captain or the co-captain, with some USB receptacles as well. There's lots of stainless steel cup holders throughout this boat, so you'll never have to look for a place to have your drink. We've got a removable cushion here for the front-facing lounger. We have armrests that flip up for even more comfort, and underneath you'll find a large storage area with the pylon. So this is an awesome boat to do some skiing and wakeboarding behind. You can do some tubing, and it's a good spot to store all of your extra filler cushions. We have the bow seating package on this, so we have the filler cushion taken out of here. This is your anchor locker in the front. It's self-bailing. There's a drain down at the bottom. You could also use it for ice if you wanted to use it like a cooler space, and then all of that ice would melt and drain right out the hull. And there's another self-draining storage location right here in the front, so you just pull the handle on that. So you could use that as a fish box as well. There's a trolling motor panel, and here in the head we've got some battery hookups, so if you wanted to use the trolling motor, you're already ready to go. All you have to do is find your favorite system, install that, and then this is a turnkey ready to go situation. We do have the toilet in there for your head compartment. And this boat is located at MarineMax in Cross Lake. We would love to take you out on the Whitefish chain or the Gull Lake chain of lakes and take you for a test drive. If you're ready to buy, we'll put it right into storage and store it for free for you over the winter time, this 2025 to 26 storage season. This boat is rated for 9 people, so bring your best friends, come check it out. We can't wait to see you at MarineMax in Cross Lake, Minnesota.